Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this stunning brand new Audi RS3 carbon Vorsprung Sportback S-Tronic. This gorgeous hatchback comes in the Audi exclusive colour. Standing on 19-inch alloy wheels, with a 10 cross spoke design making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, with the centre armrest with 2 cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Now, one of the main features is the panoramic glass sunroof, allowing natural daylight to flood the front cabin. And as you sink into the bucket seats with the RS logo embossed, with a front centre armrest for extra support and comfort. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. Now, if you like listening to your music, then you'll absolutely love the Sonos sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select, to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aids for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. And driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the dual zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected with the 2 USB charging points and Audi phone box with wireless charging, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This brand new Audi RS3 is now available and on site. For more information, give our sales team a call today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.